Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT second test 2025 chemistry MCQs. Quick revision part 3rd. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear viewers, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। What is the abnormal chain of amino acids in sickle cell anemia? Option A alpha chain, B beta chain, C gamma chain, and option D delta chain. So the correct option is B beta chain. Explanation is sickle hemoglobin has a valine substitution in the beta globin chain. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Side chains of all amino acids contain aromatic rings except option A phenylalanine, B alanine, C tyrosine, and option D tryptophan. So the correct option is B alanine. Explanation is alanine has a simple methyl group side chain. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from our technologist. Bonds that are formed between two cysteine residues are option A disulfide, B peptide, C electrostatic, and option D hydrophobic. So the correct option is A disulfide. Cysteine residues can form covalent disulfide bridges. Glucose is option A monosaccharide, B disaccharide, C polysaccharide, and option D lipids. So the correct option is A monosaccharide. Glucose is a simple sugar monosaccharide unit. In humans, NH3 is detoxified in the liver is option A creatinine, B uric acid, C urea, and option D uremic acid. So the correct option is C urea. The liver urea cycle converts ammonia to less toxic urea for excretion. Tollene's reagent is used to identify option A alcohol, B aldehydes, C ketones, and option D carboxylic acid. So the correct option is B aldehydes. Dear students, this is the most repeated MCQs. The side chain of which of the following amino acid contains a sulfur atom? Option A methionine, B threonine, C leucine, and option D tryptophan. So the correct option is A methionine. Methionine contains a sulfur atom in its side chain. The pH of blood is approximately option A 4.5, B 7, C 7.4, and option D 9.0, 9.2. So the correct option is C 7.4. Dear students, this is very important and most repeated MCQs. All of the standard amino acid except the following have one chiral C atom. Option A threonine isoleucine, B isoleucine and alanine, C threonine and alanine, and option D alanine and glutamine. So the correct option is A threonine and isoleucine. These two amino acids have two chiral centers. Dear students, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। Benedict's solution test used for option A proteins, B reducing sugar, C lipids, and option D DNA. So the correct option is B reducing sugar. Benedict solution test is basically used for reducing sugar. Thank you for watching my videos.